So welcome back to my channel. So for today's video, you guys will be watching me get ready for a TikTok day. Yes, today is a TikTok day, so you guys will be seeing what I usually do on a daily basis. However, I did wake up extra early today for some reason. You guys will be seeing some stuff that I don't usually do, like eat breakfast and take my time. What I usually do though is get ready after lunch, which is around 2:30 because I get really lazy and procrastinate a lot. So yeah, I usually do really late TikToks. I hope you guys enjoy the video. Good morning, everyone. It is currently 9:37 in the morning. I'm going to make breakfast because I'm going to be doing an early TikTok today. So let's go get breakfast. I'm hungry. As of the moment, I have time because I'm just eating breakfast. So what I usually do, I eat in my room, obviously. I just start scrolling through TikTok to see what kind of TikToks or videos that give me inspiration. Because I dyed my hair just yesterday, my mom dyed my hair, I'm gonna be doing a transition video. What I usually do is before I go to sleep, or if I have like hours before I go to sleep, I just start scrolling through TikTok. If I liked the TikTok that I wanted to do, I have to go back through my like page, re-like it so that it pops up on the top of the like page so I can just do it. By the next day, or by today, like if I was looking for the TikToks today, I'd already know what I'd be doing. Just a strategy so I don't have to have a hard time when I TikTok. It's really annoying, especially when I TikTok late and I didn't like the TikToks that I was supposed to do. So I'm just scrolling endlessly looking for videos to do, and it takes me a while. So yeah, I'm just gonna enjoy my breakfast right now. It's currently 10:25. My mom wanted another sandwich, so I just made her one. So yeah, she's enjoying it upstairs. So anyways, I'm gonna finish my breakfast real quick and then I'm going to get ready for my TikToks. I'm gonna brush my teeth now. I oh god. So next step to this TikTok process is doing my makeup, of course. I always start with my concealer, eyebrows, eyeliner, eyelashes, blush, and my lipstick. So I'm just gonna probably do a quick fast forward, so let's get started. First, I clean my face. You do you, boo. With Escanol. I just want to show you how cute this is. And then I made little cotton balls. Oh. Let's put some moisturizer. Okay. Fresh. Eyebrows are next. No, they're not. Concealer's next. Let's just pop off the cap. Okay. I hate it when I drink coffee because my stomach hurts afterwards. I don't know why, but it does. Don't be shy. Put a generous amount. Okay, we're going to look on fully today. Powder. I just want to show you guys how satisfying this looks because my mom just bought this for me yesterday. Just it is so nice. I got the powder. Oh, that's nice. That is nice. Okay. Very pretty. Next is eyebrows. Oh. Let's do this. The fact though that I actually woke up early today. It's surprising because like normal people usually wake up around like 7 in the morning or 8. You know what time I wake up? Bro, I wake up at 12 when it's lunch. Our classes start in August. I have like so much time. It's like the best thing ever. So my eyebrows are done. Now I'm gonna move on to my eyes, eyeliner, and mascara. My mom bought actually. Hyper Sharp Power Black eyeliner. So yeah, let's do this. Just did a bad thing. I just remembered the song that I was trying to get yesterday. I will get it later. Freaking it. Okay, eyeliner is done. I only did that in like 5 minutes. I was not expecting that. Let's do some mascara. I'm gonna curl my eyelashes. Oh! I just dropped my palette. I'm gonna cry. I'm gonna cry. What the fuck? So this is what happened. Let's just not talk about it. Let's just not. I don't want to talk about it. Let's just use this mirror instead. I'm just gonna do my eyelashes. So, that hurt my heart. Okay, so let's do, this is my mascara that I use. Oh, the highlighter's on the floor. I'm not even gonna talk about it. Let's just not talk about it. Okay, let's just not talk about it. I feel like we're gonna eat dinner soon. My lunch soon. Okay, mascara is done. I'm gonna use the palette that I dropped now. Get some blush. Let's just pretend that it didn't crack. I'm not gonna talk about it. I'm not even gonna talk about it. Let's just put the blush on, okay? Oh, that's a lot. Okay, blush is done. Lip tint. I use 3 to 4 products on my lips. So I use this as a first because my lips are always chapped. Then I go over it with some lip tint. This is my favorite lip tint of all time, and it lasts me like so long. So here it is. It's from the Face Shop. It's pretty pricey, but it is so worth it. So after my lip tint, depends on my mood, either I wear lipstick or lip gloss. I usually wear lip gloss though, so I'm going to wear that today. The original brand of this is e.l.f., but I liked the clear, but then after a while I would put it on top of my lipstick or my lip tint, and then it got tinted just a little bit, so I decided to tint it all the way. I just added some lip tint that I could drip into here, and then I mixed it a little bit so that it would become a tinted lip gloss instead of a clear lip gloss. So yeah, I made this. So last but not least, powder. Final touch for my makeup is highlight on my nose. Okay, I'm ready to do TikToking. I'm just gonna go pick out my outfit, then set up my lights and everything. Let's go pick an outfit. 20 minutes later. Hi, I just changed into my outfit. I'm just gonna show you my outfit really quick, and then let's get to TikToking. I forgot where me and my mom got this flannel from, but we went together shopping, so yeah, that's where I got it from. This bra is from Charlotte Russe from the US. My jeans are from Mango. I forgot where these earrings are from. I just bought them in some random store. This necklace, if you guys are wondering, is from my cousin. She gave it to me for my birthday, which is really, really, really sentimental for the both of us because we were really close, so yeah. So I'm not sure if I'm going to be TikToking as of right now, because it's currently, what time is it? It's currently 12:38 and we'll be having lunch anytime soon. So either I'll be setting up my setup, my lights, tripod, strip lights for my TikToking, or I'll just do all that after lunch. 2 hours later. Hey guys, it is currently 2 p.m. I just had lunch. So now I'll be showing you my TikTok setup of I do TikToks. First things first, let's talk about the stand you guys are on right now. It is not my tripod. I don't use my tripod when I do TikToks unless I need to. So here is what you are on right now. It's just my yearbook from 2016. So that's pretty much it in front of the window. I always do my TikToks in front of my window because natural lighting is the best lighting. Next, let's talk about how I set up my strip lights. Because I use my strip lights 24/7, the brightness is really low. I used it last night going to sleep, so let me just put the brightness up. So yeah, that's what it looks like. Now, depending on what POV or what kind of TikTok I'm doing, like dancing, I'll just do a neutral color like blue or purple like it was before. You can't really see that as purple because it's really bright out. But I rarely do green because, I don't know, it's a weird color. I'm not trying to shame green or anything, but I don't really use green a lot for some reason. I don't know why. So if we're talking about POVs, if it was an intense or matte POV, I would do red. If it was sad, I would do blue or purple or maybe pink, something like a light color, not like red or green because it looks kind of weird. I don't think you would want green lighting if it was sad. Yeah, I just want to set the mood with my lights. If I want to have fun, I just want to dance and be happy, I would do these blinking lights. These attract a lot of attention, so I do that sometimes when I feel like I'm really happy that day. Let's just stick with blue because it's a neutral color. For most of my POVs, I usually use this color. So let's talk about ring light. I only use my ring light if I'm uncomfortable with my neighbors. If they're walking around, they keep looking inside my room while I'm dancing, just doing this. It's really uncomfortable, so I just use this. It already comes with a phone holder, so it's really convenient for me. I also use this when the sun is about to go down, or it is going down, or is down because there's no light. And I always use a natural lighting because, again, natural lighting is the best lighting. So I have to close the windows, use this light, and have my strip lights on. Yeah, that's pretty much it. Now let's try doing some TikToks. It's lagging so hard, but I'm going to be doing a TikTok right now. It's starting to get dark, so you guys will only see one video, but then if you guys want to see the rest of the videos that I do today, just go on my account and see the rest of it. I will just do this video and you guys will see. Let me just go over the window so the lighting's better. Okay, so I'm gonna have to turn off the camera because it's lagging so much, but you'll see it later. I'll be right back. I'm going to be doing a couple of TikToks with my other phone so that you can see my struggles. And yeah, I am so sorry if you can hear the rain outside. It just started raining. Okay, I'm gonna do this one. It's not gonna be a dancing one. It's just gonna be like a, I'm just saying it one. That's an example of what I look like. I literally look so stupid, but it's funny. I'm just gonna practice a dance that I was gonna do. Okay, I don't even know how to do it, wait. I wasn't able to vlog the other TikToks due to copyright, but if you guys want to see the ones that I posted, just check out my TikTok account at Julian Alabastro. So yeah, that's what I do on a TikTok day. So that is all for this video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you liked the video, give it a thumbs up. And don't forget to subscribe. If you have any questions, comment down below. But if you are too shy, like I said last time, you can always email me or go on my social media, which will be in the description below. If you guys don't want to DM me, you can always go on my pictures and TikToks and just comment down there. So I will see you guys in the next video. Bye bye.